Greetings and salutations all. In this video, we're going to walk you through the different steps to downloading and installing RStudio for Windows. To begin, open your favorite web browser and type in rstudio.com to the URL bar. Once you land on RStudio's website, go over to where you see the download link, select the download link, and scroll down until you see the RStudio version matrix. We're specifically interested in RStudio Desktop. It's free, so make sure that we go down and select the download option immediately underneath RStudio Desktop. Once we select that download option, we'll be taken to a spot on the same page where we can click Download RStudio for Windows. Once we do so, in the lower left-hand side of your web browser, you should see the installer slowly downloading. Once it's done downloading, which just is now, go ahead and click on the downloaded installer to launch it. Note, when launching an installer, the user access control prompt for Windows is going to want to verify that we do indeed want to use this installer to install software on our computer. So go ahead and press yes. Then press next to begin. We're going to install RStudio into the default location, which is in Program Files. We're going to allow RStudio to be in our menu folder, so press install. And at this point, RStudio is going to go through and actually install itself on your PC. Note, this might take a little bit of time. Once RStudio has been successfully installed, let's go ahead and press finish, and then let's go to the lower left-hand side where our start menu is. Click on the start menu icon, scroll down in that start menu until we see RStudio. Click on the folder to expand, and then select the RStudio icon to launch RStudio for the first time. When RStudio launches, we're going to see basically a terminal in the left-hand side, and on the bottom right, we'll see our files. Let's just quickly test to see if R is working within inside of RStudio by typing out 1+1 and then pressing enter. We should see 2. If we do, that means everything installed perfectly. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye now.